Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Bubble on Life360 app. To get started, open the Life360 app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded before moving on, since location-based features may take a moment to appear. If your internet connection is slow, give it a few extra seconds so everything displays properly. This helps avoid tapping the wrong option or missing an important button on the screen. Once the app is open, tap on your location. This usually brings focus to your current position on the map and helps you access the location-related tools connected to your profile. If your location is not immediately visible, you may need to wait briefly while the app updates your position. In some cases, enabling your phone's location services can also help the app show your location more accurately. After selecting your location, tap on Create Bubble. This is the feature that allows you to share a general area instead of your exact real-time location. A bubble is useful when you want to keep others informed about your whereabouts, while adding an extra layer of privacy. Instead of showing the precise spot where you are, the app creates a broader area around your location. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to create the bubble. The app will guide you through the available settings and options needed to finish setup. Read each screen carefully and confirm the details before continuing. Depending on the version of the app, you may see slightly different prompts, but the general process remains the same. Just continue through the instructions shown on your screen until the bubble is successfully created. As you complete the setup, it's a good idea to double-check that the bubble appears correctly on the map. This can help confirm that the feature is active and working as expected. If something does not look right, you can go back through the on-screen prompts and review your selections. And that's it. By opening the Life360 app, tapping your location, selecting Create Bubble, and following the on-screen instructions, you can quickly set up a bubble in the app. This is a simple way to manage how your location is shared while still staying connected. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide helped you complete the process smoothly.